Hey guys, what's up? I'm back with more of an experiment because I've never done this before, but I decided to give it a try. I'm going to be tinting my eyebrows with the Just for Men Mustache and Beard hair dye. I've seen a few people do it and it seems like it's worked. So I want to give it a shot and see like if it really does or not, because if I don't have to do my brows in the morning, I'll be such a happy person. So we're gonna go ahead and try this out and see if it works. So let's go ahead and get into it. So it's giving me all the instructions like to mix the stuff, and then you just basically shape out your eyebrow, leave it on for 5 minutes, and then you wash it off. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna mix the stuff together and then wipe off my eyebrows and then shape them in with the dye and then wait 5 minutes and then go from there. So it comes with this little tray and it tells you to squeeze out an equal amount of product and then you just mix it together. The little brush it comes with, and it comes with little caps so you can save the rest of the product for your next use. So, gotta mix it really well. I really hope this doesn't mess up my eyebrows. I mean, I barely have any, so now I'm gonna go ahead and just wipe off my eyebrows, some micellar water. And I also have Vaseline, so I can just wipe away anywhere that like the dye gets on. Okay, let's start shaping the eyebrow. Just gonna use a little bit of honestly, I do not know how I feel about this. It's so messy. I'm so scared right now. Hopefully I did this right. I feel like maybe I should have traced before I did this. Or maybe I should have just done it on top of my eyebrows, how I had them. So they've been baking for like 5 minutes now, so I'm just gonna go ahead and wipe them off. Oh my god, I made a mess. I'm just using a makeup remover wipe. That wasn't a good idea. Let me go. Let me wash this off real quick. Alright, so I washed them off and I should have shaped them a little bit better. I feel like, I don't know. I don't know how I feel about this. Like, it's just, I don't know. And I think it takes like 6 weeks or something to come off. So, if you do plan on doing this, shape out your eyebrows beforehand. Wear the gloves because it's messy as hell. And yeah, I don't know if I'm gonna do this again. This was not a good experience for me. Now I have Oh my god, I feel like my eyebrows are all messed up now. Ugh, it's just not what I signed up for. I hope you guys enjoyed this little trial and error video. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye!